Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you will decide to become a part of the Gem Squad family by hitting that subscribe button and your notification bell. So today I'm doing a tutorial with the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Eye Palette. Smoky Eyes Are Forever, I believe is what it's called, that I got in my Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2022. So let's get into this tutorial. So today I've got the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Eye Palette Forever Smoky or something like that. It was in my Beautylish Lucky Bag, so I'm super excited to try it. I'm primed, I'm ready to go, so let's dig in. And I'm really liking the dark colors over here, but I am going to start out in the middle. Now with these palettes, they're about $75, I think, so I was really excited because the whole Beautylish Lucky Bag was $75. And there was a few other good things in there. You've got your transition shade, your lid shade, and your crease shade. And they do it to where it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can use those colors together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with, from Power Eyes, that first shade, number 1. I'm going to tap it off. This is a Shayna B brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put that in my crease. In the crease and right above it where the transition shade would be. And we're just going to do circular motions. I do have Thrive Cosmetics eye primer on today instead of MAC Paint Pot, just so you guys are aware. Now, the last time I bought one of these palettes, the browns didn't work well. So I haven't really touched it. And I think that was the Eyes to Hypnotize or something like that. I don't remember exactly what it was called. But anyway, I had paid $75 for it, and then I never bought another Charlotte Tilbury product. So I'm kind of excited to get this one. I'm hoping this brown is definitely blending so much better than what that other palette did. I mean, I was dying. That was just, when you spend $75 on eyeshadows, you expect them to blend and not be patchy. That's a beautiful color. I'm liking that a lot. I'm going to be using a lot of different brushes. Okay. And we need some round brushes. Most of these are Morphe. Some are Urban Decay. And they come with the regular palette. Some of them are really good, so, you know, keep those around. Alright, so basically what I want to do is take this more precise brush and dip it in that same color. Top it off. And get the inner corner right here. Because I want to make sure there's no separation in pigment. It's a total dead giveaway that you have makeup on. And yes, of course, you can see that I have makeup on. But when it flows nicely, it looks way more natural. Okay, much better. Alright, so now I'm going to go in a little bit with Happy Eyes, number 3. And I'm going to put it on this Urban Decay Naked brush. And I'm going to stick that in my crease and right at the top of my lid. And I'm going to do over here on the outer part. This is a beautiful color. Guys, I'm almost done organizing my house. Almost done, and then I can get back to regular videos. Ooh, I will show you a picture of what my station looks like right now. It is so much better. I mean, it was out of control. Like, it was out of control, guys. This is a beautiful color. Oh, I like her a lot. Okay, cool. Gonna have to go back in and blend with another brush. And then we get to do the fun part, which is the lid. Ooh, and I can try out my Beautylish Lucky the Hindash liner, I think it was. I don't even know if I can remember where I put it. Yeah, we'll see.
Excuse me, Bum Bum's
Okay, so I just mapped out a wing real quick with this liner I got in the Beautylish bag, the Hindash Heroline something, I don't know, anyway, it's pretty amazing, which is what I figured it was going to be. So now I want some flat brushes because I'm going to go in with some setting spray and some of these shimmers, and I'm super excited. There's some really pretty ones in here. Let's see. Flat brush like this, a Luxie one, will definitely work. Let me see. I apologize if I don't have a good background right now. Will be fixed soon. All right. Let's see. We're going to go in with this gorgeous Under Happy Eyes, number 1. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. I am in love. That is gorgeous. Definitely got to get a new tapping method so things don't get on the carpet. Maybe tap over the trash can. You would think I would know that, or at least done it by now. Oh my goodness, I'm in love! I don't really see any fallout. I do want to make sure my lid is nice and covered. That is definitely super pretty. I'm wondering if I want to go a little bit darker though with this charcoaly kind of color. I definitely need like a pencil brush like this right here. Let's try. This isn't really setting spray, but we'll see. Alright, I'm going to put it into this charcoaly kind of color. And we are going to get this part of the eye to look dark and smoky. I was a little worried the way this color swatched, but I'm not really like blending it out, kind of. I'm more placing it down, so I'm not too worried about it. We'll see when I go to blend what happens. Hopefully it will cooperate. Ooh, I like. Okay, so we're going to put a little of this underneath the eye. Go with Becky G's brand. Sweet. Now I'm going to take a brush that doesn't have anything on it. This one should do. It is a Morphe Jaclyn Hill.
Hello, Connor.
And I'm just going to blend these edges out.
Are you videoing right now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And put that matte down so this way that charcoalish kind of color will blend with it and you'll get a nice transition. Alright, we need a blending brush that doesn't have anything on it. Something like this here. This is a lavish brush, and we want to go over our edges to make sure that they're not too harsh. Definitely going to put something right here besides liner. Yeah, I'm all about this liner. That's pretty amazing. It reminds me of the Hank and Henry. And I used that for the longest time. The final touches on my wing, and then look to see if I need to clean anything up. Alright, we want which one of these shimmers. I think out of the first three, this is just, oh yeah, this is number 3. Love Eyes. And this is like crumbling, but it's creamy. Like very blendable. Yeah. Let's see what this middle one does. Ooh, here's where you get the fallout. I'm in love. Love it, love it, love it. So we need a stiffy or something like here. And we need some spray because we want to take one of these shimmers here. Stop crumbling. Holy jeez. We're going to do the inner corner. Or do the brow bone. And that's with this Love Eyes number 3. Oof. What I want to do is take my pencil brush, dip it into the brown, which is number 2 in the last set, Confident Eyes, and I'm going to put some brown here. And then we're going to grab a sweeper brush. We'll try the new one I got in the Beautylish bag. Who is this now? Worker 3 Sonia G. We do need to get rid of the fallout first. There we are. Basically, we're just going to blend this and clean it up, but we do need some concealer to make everything nice and sharp looking. I am going to use Jacqueline's in light medium. Gotta be quick with this thing though. Super quick. Make sure everything is good to go. Yeah, it dries down so freaking fast. And the coverage is okay. But with her with dry skin, you would think that it would be different. Alright, so this is my finished look. Tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. So the Instant Eye palette. Smokey Eyes Forever, I think it was called. Here it is here. I used quite a few colors. I'll put them on the screen for you so you know which ones I used. They blended out really, really good, so I'm liking this palette a lot. Super excited to have this palette. If you haven't checked out my Lucky Bag video, I think I did it in a shorts. And I did swatches over on my other channel, Swatch Investigator. If you want to see that, I will link both those in here for you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate you guys so very much. If you're new, please say hello. I'd love to get to know you. Tell me something about yourself. And thank you for being here, guys. I'll talk to you really, really soon in another video. Bye!